Everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we were driving our car and we noticed it said low windshield wiper fluid. Low washer fluid. We have some wiper fluid to add into our vehicle. So we're going to top off the windshield wiper fluid. Go ahead and pop your door open. Then under left side footwell, driver's side footwell, you have this lever. This is how you pop the hood. Pull that. And then you look at this emblem right here on the left hand side. You lift up this lever, and it releases the hood. And the hood shock right there holds up the hood. Windshield wiper fluid goes in here. You see how it's a little windshield, like a water spraying. But you lift this up. We're adding RainX Platinum windshield wiper wash. So we're gonna use a little funnel right here. Make it easy so we don't make a mess, don't spill anything. You can put in as much as 4.9 liters into the reservoir. Now that it's full, we're going to remove the funnel and just catch whatever drips with your towel. Go ahead and take this cover, put it back on. Let's go ahead and close our hood. That's pretty much it for topping off your windshield wiper reservoir. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.